Yo, what is up, guys? Vampire Mario 67 here, and welcome back to Turbo Dismount. Did I say that right? I'm not sure if I said it right. Please comment down below if I said it right or not, and maybe comment on what game I should play next. But anyway, without further ado, let's play, which one? Legendary Classic. Oh god, yeah. Yeah. This is gonna be the best thing. Oh my god! Look! Flips for me! Boom! Ouch. Yeah. Alright. See what other. Yes. Yes. Oh yes. This is perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Go, bro. Oh god. No. No, I didn't mean to do that. No. Alright. Crap. Let's try that. Go! Yes. 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 Yeah. Look at shooting lasers. I like that. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. 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 Frick yeah. Oh, what happened to him? Where'd he go? All that's left is the vehicle. Alright, let's see if we can go to full speed. Dang it! Let me retry that. How? I did it wrong again. Okay. Alright, that works. Go, bro! Oh my god! Flip, 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 flip. Oh my god. Ah! Boom. You'd expect an explosion from that. That was awesome. What else should I do? Oh, we can make a different pose. What kind of idiot would do that? Oh, alright, apparently this dude. Okay, apparently he's holding on tight. Oh my god, I got his head off. You see that over there? Let's try a different pose now. What? Well, this guy's apparently stupid, isn't he? Oh, we got a little bit more speed that time. Oh my god! He already. Oh. Boosh! Why is the invisible wall made out of hearts? Why is that a thing? Yeah! Go, my friend! Let's just do it. Boom! That was great. Just look at him. Oh, I hate my life. Why am I gonna do this? Because you're a fracking it. Why? You stupid idiot. Fine, and you want to die like that in fun. No, reset that. I want to make it go as fast as possible. Yeah! Go! Yeah! Frick yeah! Oh wait, we already lost them. Why? Oh man, I love this game. Boom! No, I didn't mean to do that, no! Or maybe he's just going like... I'm definitely... Oh, he already fell in. Dude, you are screwed. See, just like that. Boom. Oh, there he is over there. Alright, let's reset that. Dang it! Let's try that again. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Go, 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 go. Oh, well, we already lost him again. Obviously. Oh my god! Flips for days, bruh! And we crashed. Awesome. Let's do that in an instant replay. Alright, go! Go! Go play! Alright. What? What a frickin' idiot! What? Yes! Full speed ahead! Yeah! Yeah! Holy crap! Maybe I should have left them inside. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Boom! That was cool. Yeah. And let's put him back inside. See if we can make it full speed again. Nope, but we still got pretty fast. Ah! Pew pew! Whee! Oh my god! Well then. That one was awesome. Let's see if we can do about 8. Let's see how much points we can get from him while he's sitting like that. Oh, it's like, there we go. Here. Alright, not the best, but it ain't bad. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Why? Ah! Hey, it's better than last time. Whee! Oh my god! Ah! Ow. Okay, bye. No, I didn't. Yeah. Hey, we got like we did last time. Whee! Oh my god, we already lost parts of them. Oh, no we didn't. No we didn't. Why did I say that? Oh, yep, we did. Boom! That was cool. Dude, I love this game. Well then. I wonder what happens if we just go full speed ahead. Alright, not bad, not bad. Let's go! Boom! Did you see that? Let's try that again. See if we can go to full speed. Huh! That's good. That's good. Boom! Oh my god! That was totally awesome! Alright. Let's see. What if we try a token bird? Why the frick not? How you doing? How you doing there, sir? Oh, we could go in the first person. Full speed ahead! Whee! Ah! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap! Bong! Ow! I hear a chicken! Ah! Boom! Ouch. Ah, okay. Ah, boom! That's funny. Ah. Yes! Let's frickin' do this. Boom! Ow! That wasn't very much. Oh shoot, it's already time to end off this video. Yeah, well, I really enjoy this game. It's really fun. And it's funny. You can even drive this chicken vehicle, token bird. So, I'm just gonna do one more. Go straight into the mine. We take a big ramp. Alright. Freaking ready. Let's go. That was not so good. Let's do it one more time now. Ah! Oh my god, that is the best! Ow. Alright, well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, subscribe. If I go over 5 likes, at least over 5, then I'll make another episode of this. And as always, I'm Jackson, and see you all in the next video.